Restore factory settings using the HP app for HP printers. Need to restore your HP printer back to its default factory settings from the HP app? We'll show you how to do it in just a few minutes. If you don't have the HP app, you can get it for free from 123.hp.com or your app store. First, make sure your device and printer are connected to the same network. In the HP app, select your printer, and then select View All in the Printer Settings section. Select Advanced Settings. If a warning message appears, select the option to proceed. Accessing printer advanced settings will not harm your computer or mobile device. Select Settings, select Restore Defaults, and then select Restore Factory Defaults. Submit your printer PIN if prompted. You can find the PIN on a label on the printer. It's often in the cartridge area or on the back of the printer. If you can't find the PIN on the label, you can find it for many printers by printing an information report. To print this report, press the I button on the printer control panel. Select Restore Factory Defaults, and then select Yes to confirm your choice. After the factory defaults are reset, the Wi-Fi light on the printer will flash for about 2 minutes, indicating readiness for setup. You can now add the printer in the HP app.